Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a MacBook Air A2941. The problem with this laptop is that it turns on and then restart. Coffee had also fallen into it. Since then, it is having this problem.
Let's fix this. Remove all the screws at the back. Open the back panel with the help of opener. Slide the back panel so it will open. It's coffee. We will very carefully remove the battery flex cable.
You will clean all the liquid with a cloth. You can also remove the touchpad cable very carefully. Remove all the screws on the logic board. Remove the left side speaker cable. Remove the display flex cable very carefully. Remove the right side speaker cable. All the screws of the display cable protector will be removed. Also disconnecting the display to the logic board. Remove all the screws of the display and speaker. Disconnect the network wire as well. Also disconnect the keyboard/audio daughter board. Remove the hinge screws. Remove all the screws on the left side. Clean it thoroughly. Remove all the screws on the right side. Remove the network wire connector as well. Type-C connectors will come out of it as well. Remove the logic board and clean it thoroughly. Remove the keyboard cable as well. Remove all tape from the battery. Removing the battery. We'll also remove the keyboard light completely. We'll also clean the keyboard light. Clean the keyboard thorough. You can also remove the on-off button and clean it. Clean the laptop base thoroughly. Clean the display cable thoroughly as well. Dry the whole body thoroughly with a blower. Clean all readers thoroughly. And assemble all the parts properly. I have speeded up this video to save time. Look at all the parts and put them in their place. Fit the logic board very snugly. Reinstall the battery tape and reinstall the battery. The speaker and network also fit the board. Also make sure to properly install the touchpad and other cables. Tighten all the screws on the laptop. Check your laptop by plugging in the charging cable. And it's as perfect as it was before. Don't forget to subscribe, this also inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.